Can I ask you something personal? Do you know that you're called by God? You are not just another leader or an entrepreneur or even a parent. You are literally someone who's been chosen for kingdom impact. You've been created for this. But I know your health, it's holding you back right now. And I know you're tired of the confusion and the symptoms and the burnout and the doctors who give you Band-Aids and just tell you that, well, it's just stress and, they just throw the pharmaceuticals at you like they're candy. When deep down you know that something is not right and you know that you need to find out why. So, what if there was a proven scientific way to finally understand your root causes of all your symptoms and then reverse them in a step-by-step way, faster than you ever thought possible, without guessing and without wasting time or money? Well, that's the beauty of precision healthcare. That's what it is. And it's not even old school functional medicine. And it's certainly not just, wellness health coaching. It truly is the next evolution in medicine, 17 years ahead of what most doctors are doing now. And it's my most passionate mission to get this information into your hands so you can stop all this needless suffering just like I did. And I'm inviting you to experience this training live with me at risehealchallenge.com. So this is a very exciting 5-day deep dive where I am going to personally teach you the exact science-backed system that I've used to help thousands of purpose-driven leaders just like you eliminate your chronic symptoms. I'm going to teach you how to use a step-by-step plan that will promise to restore your energy and help you rise into your calling without your health getting in the way. So in this challenge, you're going to discover the 3 biggest health mistakes that most leaders make and how to fix them. You're going to discover why conventional medicine is currently failing you and how to finally take control. And you're going to discover the exact step-by-step personalized system to reverse your symptoms fast. And this is based on the latest research that, guess what? Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. And this isn't hype. It's just the truth. And it's backed by good scientists with integrity and backed by decades of research and real life transformations. And I'm going to give this all to you and prove it to you that this is really the evolution of medicine. It's the very best way for you to learn how to take care of yourself now and for your future. So let me just give this to you straight. You are a steward of your body. And scripture says that it is your responsibility to take care of your temple. And why? So that you can do everything that God created you to do with full strength, with full clarity, with full power, and with full purpose. So let me just ask you again. Are you going to keep handing your health and your future to a broken system? Or are you ready to take control and take it all back? Go now to risehealchallenge.com. And I need to tell you that space is limited to just 100 people per class, because honestly, I'm just one person. That's really all I can handle and to be able to get all your questions answered. And when you join the waitlist now, you're going to get a free lifetime subscription to my new medical freedom report. So you will never miss the new medical discoveries that promise to save your life. Your calling is just too important to stay stuck. It is time to rise and heal. Go ahead, go to risehealchallenge.com now.